to share her experience.
So good morning, esteemed faculties, honorable guests, beloved parents, and my fellow graduates. 4 years ago, most of us walked into the gates of SKIT with heavy bags, bigger dreams, nervous minds, and heart full of curiosity. Today we are here getting our graduating certificates and friendships that feel like a family and a lessons that shape not only our intellect but also our very identities. So just let it going back to a flashback. We are 2021 Corona batch who didn't write 12 PU boards exam. But we are quite happy by seeing board exam and all this happiness just fled away by seeing our CET results. Right? So somehow I landed at SKT and looking back now I can confidently say that was meant to be. So if I have to talk about my 4 years of engineering journey, so first year, October 21st, 2021 was the first day when we entered the gates of SKIT, attending induction program while sitting on our red chairs in our old auditorium. Remember our old campus, right? Yeah, we have more memorable memories there. And Parthi ma'am was our first class teacher. She was, thank you ma'am, thank you for lovable teacher and supportive teacher that we've ever had. And thank you Shankar sir. Actually, my 4 years engineering journey was complete package of academics, sports, cultural activities, and my most favorite semester was second sem. I have to say because the time where I started practicing at amphitheaters with our all batchmates, and our first dance performance was on Kacha Badam. I remember still that, so that was trending, and. And our first SKTPL movement, I was part of Galaxy Warriors as well. And our witnessing Imran sir's iconic movement, CSC समझे तो fire समझे क्या नहीं wildfire. So Imran sir's iconic movement and Pushpa movement. So last year I was just sitting there seeing our seniors wearing caps and gowns. Today look around, we are all wearing our caps and gowns and our families are here. So we're gonna have like, I just don't know, like we'll become quite emotional now. So I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal Mahesha Kesar, whose visionary leadership has truly elevated SKT to new heights. Thank you sir for being the driving force behind our journey of transformation. And when we talk about the technicals and the placement trainings, Rakshita ma'am comes to our mind. So thank you ma'am on our absent here, our associate director whose energy, vision and commitment have a lasting impact on our institution. So on our second year, we just stepped out from our basic science department and entered computer like core branch. And I was from a biology background and it was quite difficult to, like it took time to understand the computer concepts and Mrs. Aruna ma'am is here, my proctor, who has been a life savior and our angel. She has been saved like life savior not for once but for many times. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Lata ma'am for being motivational and giving support for all. And thank you Amma, Appa, here my parents. Motivational as well, like this achievement has been like yours as it is mine and my friends who has been here. Like we're gonna miss writing internals, assessments and those Buddha Baswana steps. And our like Yardak birthday leave, we're gonna go for face cake and order like we have explored all different types of pastries and dividing there and written and our little visits to the AGP layout having gobi rice and lemon soda there. Yeah, I gotta see like college ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರ್ಕಿಂತ like ಆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ like ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So lemon soda is like compulsory there and ₹20 ಅದೇ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಸಿಪ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, ಬಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಂಫಿ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಲಗೋರಿ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಪಿ ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಫ್ರೀ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆ ಟಪ್ಟೆ ಬೀಚಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ವಿ ಆಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರು. ಲೈಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನಾ ಲೀವ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ alumni there. And so let's, who knows, there may be an entrepreneur there may be a businessman, there may be a singer. So let's just give a smile and remember SKIT days. So as a famous artist J. Cole said, there is no such thing as a life that's better than yours. That is such a simple reminder to never compare your life to anyone else. There is no comparison between sun and moon, they just shine when there is time. So class 2025, our time to shine is right now. So let's go be great, and saying this for the one last time that this is USN 1KT21 CS073 signing off. Thank you.
We are really glad to have you here, your experiences, because even as a faculty, we are also one of them with them. So thank you, Sinchna. Thank you for your valuable words. Thank you. Next, I invite Chandana from IS Department.